be a really exciting video. I'm doing a haul for Priseer. I hope I'm saying it right, you guys. It is this company right here, and it is an app. You can order on the app, and you also can order on their website. They have it on the App Store, the Google Play Store, everything like that. They contacted me and they wanted me to do a haul for their company, and I got to choose whatever I want off of their site. So I'm really excited. I didn't get too much because I didn't want to, you know, seem like I want everything. So I picked my favorites off the site, and first I'm gonna start with this backpack, you guys. Look at how cute, and everything's super affordable, you guys. I went on there, and when I saw the prices myself, I'm like, if they didn't send me this stuff, I would have went shopping by myself off that site, because I just, wow. So here's the backpack. It's like the snake design, and you guys, I have a backpack similar to this, and I just really love backpacks with a little tassel like this. Yes, I screamed when I opened the package. But yeah, look at the inside. Has a zipper right here. Super cute. So that's the first thing that I got off of there. The second thing that I got off of there was this dress, and you guys, I really don't wear dresses in the fall or winter, but I saw this is like a sweater dress, and I do not own not one sweater dress. So it's like this, and it just has like this tie up in the front. Super cute, long sleeve, and I'm definitely wearing this probably sometime soon. Definitely, oh, maybe for my birthday. I don't know. I really like it, you guys. Obviously, also it's Scorpio season, November 12th over here. Yes, almost my birthday. But anyways, next I'm going to show you guys what I chose for Nevaeh. This is super cute. It's like a baby doll dress. It's pink, brown, and white, and it just has like these really cute designs, the circles, and this little bow. Nevaeh Tantrum when I took it out the package, and it just ties in the back. Super cute. I made sure to pick stuff off the website, not just for me, but for my daughter and my husband as well. So couldn't pass that up for my daughter. And then for my husband, I got this plaid shirt for him. I chose this in a medium, and I just thought this was like, I get stuff that I would like to see him in, and I think this would look really nice on him, so had to choose that. Very affordable. These clothes, I can even talk, is such a good quality, you guys. Just feeling it, no complaints. Awesome. And then last but not, oh no, I have one more. The end you guys are going to be surprised about, but I had to choose my AirPods. Now you guys know I upgraded to the iPhone 7 Plus, which means there's no headphone jack. So I'm like, how am I going to listen to music? So yeah, I chose this. It is wireless and Bluetooth. So I just set it up to Bluetooth, so I'm able to listen to my music, because sometimes I want to watch YouTube videos at night and my husband's sleeping, my daughter's sleeping. And I'm just going to show you guys, this is how it looks. And this one is the left one, yeah, or the right one, I don't know. But anyways, it has a little button right there, and this is how you charge it. And the underneath, you just plug it in there, and then you charge the headphones. So I was really excited to try these out for my phone, so I'll let you guys know how that is, but I was super excited to see that. And last but not least, you guys, remember how I did that unboxing mystery box? Yeah, this was the company, the same company that sent me the hair, you guys. So as you guys saw, the mystery unboxing, it was more in the package. I was so excited. I was so excited and didn't know who it was from, that I didn't look at the package all the way. And so thank you for Priseer. They're the ones that sent me this. You guys already saw the mystery unboxing. I was not going to delete the video. Mommy. I had to show it again. So yeah, you guys already saw that. Thank you for sending me this wig. And it also came with a wig cap, which I didn't show in the other video. So this is the breathable stretch fabric, appropriate length wig cap. So thank you guys so much for Priseer. I hope I'm saying it right. I'm going to look up other reviews and see how you say it. But yeah, thank you so much for sending all this to me. I'm so happy. I love everything. If you guys would love to shop on this store yourself, I will leave everything in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.